Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about my weight loss. Alright, so weight loss, my journey for weight loss started last Monday. That would be, I don't even know, let me check what that date is. That would have been Monday, January 8th. And I started dieting. And I want to keep it as a diary, so that if I ever fall off the wagon, I can always just come back and rewatch and say, you had a goal, this is what you need to do, stick to your goal. So weighed in on Monday and I weighed in to be 197 pounds, 0.6, I believe, 197.6. Yeah, so basically what my diet includes is no carbs, all protein. That's what I want it to be. That is unrealistic, I know, but I have definitely decreased the carb intake and I've increased the protein intake. It has been a week. During that week, I've been eating a lot of chicken. I made asparagus. I've been trying to increase my greens a lot. I eat salads, but I wanted to get some like thicker greens in there, like broccoli and asparagus. I'm really a big fan of broccoli and asparagus. And I cut my soda intake. I haven't had soda in a week. It's really not that hard. The only thing that's really bothering me is a headache. But for the most part, the first week was actually pretty good. I didn't really have any cravings, mainly because I'm just so sick of feeling like total shit that I don't want to eat crap anymore. But for some reason I have this constant thought in my mind that always tells me, you make your own money, you drive your own car, you pay your own bills. Who is there to tell you what you can and can't eat? If you want it, then you should have it. Then go buy it, go get it, go make it. It doesn't really matter. When in reality it does matter. I feel like crap all the time. I don't really have like energy at all, and I know this from my eating. I know it is. People try to tell me it's because of how you eat, it's because of how you eat. I know it is because how I eat, but nobody can change anyone if they don't want to be changed. They have to change themselves, and if that takes 5 to 10 years down the line for them to change, then that's what it takes, unfortunately. So my journey started on Monday, and I am going to weigh myself every week. But one thing I did want to mention that I wanted to talk about was my increase in water. Water is a big one that you should really increase when trying to lose weight. That first week I've had success with drinking 1 gallon of water a day. A gallon of water a day can definitely increase how fast you lose weight. It's a big supporter of the metabolism, so drinking a lot of water only is really, really good for you. Obviously drinking too much water is a thing, water intoxication, so do not drink a gallon of water in 1 to 3 hours. Please span it over 24 hours. Make sure you're urinating during the day and things like that. But even with just the diet and water increase, I notice my energy levels are just through the roof. Waking up in the morning, I really don't have the urge to hit snooze. Like, oh, I'm so tired, I don't want to get up 5 more minutes. I don't really have that. Yeah, I want to stay there for 5 more minutes because I don't want to go to work. But is it because I'm tired? No, it's just because I don't want to go. But I can sit up and be like, okay, it's time to go. Like, I don't feel like the anymore. I've cut out milk. I've had cottage cheese, yes, but like actual milk, I've cut it and turned to soy and almond milk. Whenever I drink milk, like actual real whole milk, it just like destroys my stomach. I'm pretty darn sure I am lactose intolerant, but yeah, so I've cut that out. I definitely increased my veggies. I'm trying to have salads with peppers. I put cottage cheese in my salad, mix it together with oil and vinegar. I don't really have like a special dressing. I'm trying to keep it so simple. But I wanted to talk about where this motivation came from. I am just so tired of feeling like crap and looking like crap. Not that I look like crap, because am I the happiest with myself? No. But there's times when I really care what I look like, and then there's time when it's like, who cares? Nobody cares. When in reality, nobody really does care, and I really don't care what other people think. But I care what I think, unfortunately. So yeah, this is where this is coming from. Mainly it's, I kind of want to be around for a while. I don't want to kill myself and have a heart attack when I'm 40, 50, whatever. Because I do really eat like garbage. Before I started dieting, I was eating out like every day. Just because I can. And it's easy and simple, especially where I work in a doctor's office. You know, lunchtime is an hour long. You go right down the street to Wawa, grab a sandwich, right down the street to McDonald's, grab a burger. And it's like, you know, you don't think about like a $2 burger being expensive, and you're just like, wow, it tastes like really great, and I ate it for cheap. That's a problem. So yeah, gotta get this addiction for food under control. But you guys will see this, I don't know when. I'll probably have weighed myself again, and I'll have to do another update. But for now, I'm 197. This is the heaviest I've ever been in my entire life, and I'm short, so it doesn't really make it any better. But yeah, I'm on this journey. I'm taking the weight loss journey. It sucks, but it has to happen. Gotta be healthy. Gotta be healthy. You have to. So anybody who's out there that wants to start losing weight, do it for you, mainly. Do it for yourself. Don't do it for anybody else. Do it to be fit. Stay around for your kids a little while longer. You don't want to miss out on anything because something happened to you because of your health, because you're overweight. So many things can happen because you're overweight. High cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes. Everything can happen to you because you're overweight, and I don't want that to happen to me. So we're taking that leap before it happens, and we're losing weight. I actually bought some weights and things to do at work, so I'm pretty excited about that. I've been doing that all last week. You know, just sitting at the desk, lifting up like this, up and down. As long as you're getting movement, because that's my big problem. I sit all day long. I have a desk job. Well, I'm a medical assistant, so I'm up running around, and then I'm sitting. But I'm not constantly on my feet for 8 hours, so I need a little bit more exercise in there. So yeah, that's what's going on. Gotta make that happen. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. I hope this has inspired you to lose some weight yourself, to go and do it. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next update video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.